It's okay.
Keep talking, Dan. I just started the video.
Hi, Mom.
So this is for the second unit then?
Yep. That'll be the stairs. This will be all closed off. Yeah, you're like me. I gotta go.
At that age.
Ce qui est le garde-robe, ici?
Garde-robe is a bathroom.
Ben, je sais. Il faut que tu mettes ton garde-robe. Ah, ici. Oh, this is...
When's the project going to be finished, Jazz Paul?
Let's hope by like end of July, mid-August, so I can kind of meet the student deadline market.
Cool. Furnished? It's going to be furnished?
I think I'm planning towards that.
Yeah, good idea. Yeah, great location, close to the college, College Square.
College Square, just 20 minutes down the road, and then main transit just right behind the backyard.
And you're ready for another draw. Construction mortgages.
Derek McLean, right? Capital Mortgages.
Yeah,
So construction loan, is that how this one
Yeah, we
happened?
financed this through a construction loan. We've already had our first big draw. That kind of bankrolled most of the construction up to this point, and we have another one on the way.
Cool. Awesome. Go-to guy for financing. Awesome investor. There we go. Check out this. Hello, property manager.
Hello! Ton garde-robe est là.
Oh, very nice.
J'ai une petite demi-salle de bain au bord. Puis mon salon était immense. Des même les planchers vont prendre, j'ai des
Check out the basement. See what's happening there.
upstairs. You have access to the back.
Unless they go all the way around.
Yeah, right. It's going to be like a legal separate unit.
Yeah.
So they're going to be
So here's the backyard. Got all the windows. I got 2 hydrometers put in. Nice shed. Nice deck. Yep.
Why do they do them so high?
I see. So the entrance is to the basement.
Yep.
Seems funny not to be able to access the back from the upstairs suite.
Yeah, it has to be totally self-contained.
No, I know they do, but there's no, like, the upstairs suite. So
Mm.
you have to get to the back.
Oh, right. I got you. Yeah, you have to come around. Yeah. Let's go check out the basement.
At that stage, similar scenario. You're not getting the most efficient is this right now for completely sealing everything in. So you'll save on your energy costs over a couple of years.
So then your Roxel or whatever you're using, or your fat. And
It
then-
works. One of the properties that I have has Roxol because back in the day we weren't spray foaming. It's efficient. It runs well, but you will lose 30% of your home efficiency, your heat through your headers. Even with Roxol and vapor barrier, you're losing. So if you seal it in the way we've done here, you're going to gain those energy costs back. And right now there's for using this type of insto, there's programs that are out now to give you some kickbacks. You know, they just implemented them. You can build when you're